Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to Cities Skylines. My name, of course, is Obit Potato, and today we are testing out a new microphone, so hopefully you'll be able to hear a little bit of difference, hopefully for the better, maybe for the worse, I don't know. I probably haven't configured it in the proper way, but anyway, let's get down to business. No more of this boring nonsense anymore. Let us get rid of that building over there, and wow, oh wow, oh wow, we are almost completely out of office room up here, which is not really great, to be honest. It's not very good at all. We're gonna have to find another way of satisfying this industrial demand, probably somewhere else. Probably we'll just add another row of offices up there. Maybe that'll do something. Maybe it won't. Hopefully it will. But hopefully we'll be able to control the industrial demand through the remaining space that we've dedicated to offices over here. Okay, good. Housing, I think we were in the process of sorting housing at the moment, weren't we? Yeah, we got loads of space available to people that actually want to move in. We don't have any low residential, as in low density low density residential, that's what I meant to say. We don't have any low density residential. But honestly, I'm not entirely sure if we want to. I mean, we're using this area to the max. To the absolute max. I quite like that. So yeah, I don't think we're really going to need to worry about low density residential, but it could be something that we could conceivably do, because we want this city to be a place where everybody can just chill and do whatever they want to do. That's the plan anyway. However, let us not stop now. Let us not tarry. Let us continue in building out. So the next problem that I anticipate is going to be industrial demand. So that's what we're going to try and preemptively solve. Okay, that down there. That's good. And then once again, we will just get... In fact, we could probably do this in a slightly different way. So what if we did 6-lane road there, 6-lane road up here? No, maybe not that far. In fact, yeah, let's go that far. There we go, that far. Let's pause it so the game doesn't freak out. And then we can do branching roads off here. Will that work a little bit better? It might, but it might not. But you know what? We've got absolutely nothing to lose and absolutely everything to gain. So I guess we might as well give it a try while we've still got the ability to do so. There we go. There we go. That's better. Okay, we don't want no bridge. Don't want no bridge. I am bad at guesstimating the distance, haven't I? We do have that pump there, but in fact, we could probably move it up. But in fact, we could probably do even better than that. We could just get rid of it and put in a water treatment plant instead. That would probably be the environmentally friendly way to do it, rather than polluting this wonderful river. But you know what? We've got the natural assets at our disposal, so you know what? We're going to use them. I know it's maybe not the most ecologically sound idea, or environmentally solid idea, but that's fine. I'm sure the environmentalists will get over it one day. Probably not, but whatever. Okay, good. We're building a lot of roads. I think that's enough roads for now. Let's just connect these electricity pylons, and then let's call it... Well, let's not call it a day, because we just started the episode. But let's stop building roads, because I'm bored of building roads. Yep, there. Perfect. Great. Game is back in the play mode. Okay. Why are you burnt down? You should not be burnt down. We invested in a bloody massive fire station, so you specifically wouldn't burn down. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Not good. Not good at all. You know, there is probably a way that... I don't know. I don't know if there's a way to solve this traffic problem. There probably isn't. Well, there probably is. I was thinking, what if we built another highway that came down here and then just connected into this highway? We could get rid of all this road. And then just have little feeder roads going up. But that seems like a lot of effort, and I don't think it would actually change that much. Because we'd still have pretty severe traffic problems. Is there any other traffic problems around our city? I know we sort of redid this area, and it looks to me like it's working a treat. It's not exactly working as efficiently as it could be because there's still shed loads of cars. But you know, it's a busy highway, so that's just the way it is, I guess. An abandoned building over here. Let's take that down. We might as well. And I know people have been pointing out, you know, there's mods to get rid of burning buildings and stuff. And you know what? Yeah, there totally is. But I started this without mods, and I'll probably finish this city without mods. That's at least my thought. But thanks to all those people that are leaving comments. Definitely appreciate it. Okay, let's zone some more offices. Maybe not. Yeah, something like that, perhaps. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Okay, great. Yeah, I mean, we might as well zone on this road as well, because nobody's going to come up here to go anywhere else. You know what I mean? So I feel completely okay just zoning there. And hopefully that should quell some of the demand. But actually, people can't even get over there, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get this sorted. Let's get that sorted. We're going to want this to come up. In fact, let's bring it down here so it can connect up here. Round here, up there. Okay, great. That should work. That should work a little bit better. I know we're wasting a little bit of space, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. And we didn't waste that much space. Are people actually traveling over here? Well, some people are clearly going somewhere. Don't know how that works. Anybody on the trains? 3 people per week. Yeah, so it's pretty bad. But, yeah, whatever. That's alright. I'm fine with that. As long as people are actually using them. I really want to make a more efficient system over here. I really would like to make a more efficient system. Huh. How do we go about doing that? I don't know. That's a really difficult question to answer. First thing we're going to need to do is de-zone this area, because that's not important. We've got brand new office area up here for anybody that actually cares and wants to go and move in up there. And then let's stick a highway in, but let's not make it a high highway. Let's just make it a nice low highway. Yeah, something like that. Something like that will do us just nicely. No, don't snap, please. There we go. Okay, let's have a look at this. And what can we do about this? If we get rid of this road here, will this actually do anything for us? Okay, we got a ramp there. Ramp there. Ramp there. And then, of course, we'll need a ramp here. And a ramp. In fact, let's not do a ramp. Let's just do a massive highway block there. Okay, so anybody that's coming from this area will get priority to go up there. That's fine. That's good. I'm okay with that. So this is going to come along here. And somehow we need to get it to link up with this highway over here. Which I think is going to be a nightmare, if I'm actually honest. Well, let's do this. Let's get rid of that. Don't need that. And let's actually... Oh, pause. Let's get rid of this entire road. It's been good while it lasted, but I think we need to take it to the next level now. Okay, so you're going to come down to ground level. You're going to go round here. Something like that, perhaps. Round under both. Come on. There we go. That wasn't so difficult now, was it? And you can go there. And then we'll go up there. Okay, beautiful. Now, the question is, however, will this actually work? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, you can connect up there. And you can connect up there. Will this actually work? It's now a highway, so it may be a little bit faster, but don't know if it's gonna work. Don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. Is there a better way to do this? Because there still seems to be massive traffic jams. Okay, let's pause this and get rid of these bits. Okay. Let's try something pretty crazy. Let's link you up with highway. And then let's make you go up. Okay, over there. Over there. Whoa, did not mean to zoom in there. That was a little bit weird. Okay. Over here. Over here. Over here. And down there. Now, will you work? Please work. Because that is just about the best answer I have to the solutions. That's just about the best answer I have. I mean, we're still seeing a lot of traffic here, but should work a little bit better. We should now have almost constant flow out of here. At least fingers crossed that's what we have. Whatever the case, I'm a bit happier with that actually. It seems to be a lot, well, maybe not a lot faster, but it seems to have perhaps resolved itself a little bit. There's still a little bit of a jam over here, but well, in fact, no. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Yeah, that's got to do it. Any heavy traffic elsewhere? Wow, this area is packed. Jeez Louise. I did have an idea actually. I was thinking just randomly, perhaps. Let's get people off there and off there. So now people are going to have to go around the entire circle to actually get onto this side, that is. And that is just the way life is, I'm afraid, guys. So you're going to have to go all the way around the commercial area to actually get to where you want to go. And our we just don't have enough houses. That's unfortunate, but it's true. Now let's zone some more houses before people start getting annoyed and businesses can't find any workers, and oh, it's just gonna be terrible. Wow, we're actually almost out of space to build houses over here. That's pretty darned crazy. And why is there bin problems? Why has there been problems? Like, dude, why? Can we fit another bin thing in here? Yeah, we can. But it's going to lower the land value, so let's do it over here. There we go. Now, that should bring our incineration status into the green, fingers crossed. Oh, into the yellow. That's good enough for me. Why is there a traffic jam over here? Oh yeah, of course, because they meet in the same place. We may be able to do better than that. If we change this around and we have a little feeder road here. There we go. Will that work a little bit better? Should work a little bit better. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of confusion at the start, which is fine, but as long as you get over that and get on with the job at hand, that's fine. In fact, we could bring this down here, there, and then connect that up there. And that might very well speed things up a little bit. But it also might not. This entire area just looks like it's chock-a-block with traffic. What are you guys all saying? What are you saying? What's your problem? Not enough customers. Well, I'm sorry. I can't... Well, I suppose I could build houses a little bit faster, but I'm almost at max capacity in house building, so we're gonna have to sort that out somehow. In fact, screw that. Let's get rid of this ramp. It was probably a bad idea in the first place, but whatever. We did it. We took a chance. Yeah, so the reason that rubbish isn't being collected over here is because traffic. Pretty much traffic. It's unfortunate but true. And I don't really know how to solve that traffic problem, because traffic has so far eluded us. I mean, we did put metro stations down. We did put one metro station down over here, didn't we? Metro. Oh no, we didn't put a metro station down over here. Let's put a couple down. I don't really want to demolish any houses for a metro station that I'm pretty sure won't work, but whatever. Let's stick one down over there and one down over here. Okay, let's connect these up and let's change the lane. Let's change the line, should I say. That's out of city limits. Are you kidding? Okay, we'll have to do it from there. I think that'll work. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, there. And this goes over here. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, great. How do we change the drag line to add stop? Yeah, okay. No, I don't want to create a new line. I don't want to create a new line. Yeah, add a new stop over there. I don't want to create a new line. Oh, screw it. I guess I will. Create a new line then. Okay. I'm not entirely sure how this whole kerfuffle thing seems to work, but whatever. Let's just go around everywhere, adding new stops. Hopefully it'll work. If it doesn't, not the end of the world. I mean, we tried, didn't we? I mean, I have seen a couple of Let's Plays just centered around the idea of using walkways and stuff. I think that's pretty cool. Where does the line finish? There we go. Completed the line. Okay, great. So now people should use the metro a little bit more, because there's a couple more stops, but that doesn't really mean anything to people, I'm sure. But you know what? We can only try. We can only try. There is a couple of abandoned buildings over here. No customers? Maybe that's it. Customers are actually becoming a real problem. We do not have... How's traffic going over here? Pretty bad, actually. Pretty bad. Why is it moving so slowly? Why on earth is it moving so slowly? Over here. People want to get in here. Really? Well, that's quite a high demand for people actually wanting to get into this area. I still don't understand why it moves so slowly, but whatever. Oh, it looks like we've got a cargo train terminal. Train lines are pretty busy, actually. Lots of trains transporting people. Only 14 people per week take the train. Yeah, I think we can call that a failed experiment. But at the same time, it would be really cool if we could get it to work. But at the same time, it's just a little bit too far out at the moment. Oh, sugar, we don't have water for those people over there. Yeah, so as I was saying, the train station is just a little bit too far out of the way of everything. I mean, it's quite near the industrial or the office area, and I would quite like to use it to deliver workers eventually. But for now, I don't think it's really probably the best idea, but hey-ho. Not to mention, it's not really feasible. There we go. Okay, great. Okay, so we need to sort industrial demand. Well, first let's check on university, see how that's doing. 696 students, and what about this one over here? 901. That's pretty good. I'm wondering the best way to actually create a new housing area over here. I think what we're actually going to do is if we take the highway from here and we take it over here. Yeah, we take the highway over here. Will you be happy with that? Maybe you're not going to be happy with that as much as I would like you to be. Yeah, that's not too bad. But then we're also going to need a highway for the way back. So over here. No. No, you don't want to do that. Well, it was a little bit wishful thinking, but let's try again. In fact, let's upgrade this. Why can't we upgrade to this type? It's going to be noisy. We need people to feel comfortable at home. Okay, this can come around here. This can cross over. Happy with that? Good. Can you cross over there for me? You'd be really doing me a favor. Oh, beautiful. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, fantastic. So that, or this is going to be the new entrance to our brand new housing area. I don't quite know how it's going to go, actually. I don't quite know how it's going to go. Let's have a single point of convergence at the moment. So let's stick that down there. And this can go up there. That can go there. Okay, great. So all we need to do is have a singular road. In fact, let's be smart about this, right? Let's have a one-way road that comes all the way down here. Yeah, okay. Just like that. Okay, comes all the way down here. And then can go this way. This is a very, I want to say very rough outline, but this is what it's going to be. Okay, then it's going to come over here. And up here. And there. And let's get rid of that little bit of highway there. Okay, and then let's link this up to there. Okay, perfect. So now what we need to do is populate this area with houses. And if we do that by using one-way roads, then that may actually work a treat. Look at that. That works. That actually works. Wow. Like, even for me, it's surprising when a plan comes together as good as this. Come on, let's get it perfect. There we go. So this is going to be the new housing area. And hopefully we can rely on most of the existing infrastructure that we've already got in place. So, for example, dustbin collections and stuff like that. That shouldn't be a problem. And also, what's more to the point is the fact that none of this traffic that we've already got existing will be affected by this new housing area, because it's only accessible through the shopping loop, as I shall now refer to it as the shopping loop. Yeah, that's obviously the big commercial area that has all the shops in it. Just up here. Yeah, that's the big shopping loop, according to me now. Okay. No, not there. No, please, just do it. Not like that. No, do you want to nudge up a little bit? There is the sweet spot in the middle. That'll do. In fact, no, it won't. No, it won't. Let's get this perfect. That's not perfect. That's still not perfect. Do I have to zoom right in? Will that change anything, or will it still be imperfect? It's still one square off. One daft little square off. Well, whatever. That'll do. That's fine. I'm at the end of my tether. That's okay. So no. There we go. That will also do. And then that will go. Yeah, no, I don't want a curving road. Screw curving roads. That can go there, and that can go there. Okay, great. Now what we need to do is zone some beautiful high density housing, because we want We want as many people to live here as possible. So, stick that down. Color in those 2 squares. Press play. Everybody should be happy. We're also going to zone some low density just for the sake of it. Just in case there's any demand for that sort of housing, but I don't really figure it will make much of a difference, to be honest. I am noticing out of the corner of my eye that an entire area is now without power, which is, to be honest, less than ideal. It's not great at all. How are we going to fix that? Probably... It's only going to be temporary, don't worry. Okay, there we go. Sorted. You should now have power. You do. Fantastic. That's good. It's actually sort of a sign that some of my ideas kind of work a little bit. Yeah. Well, we've got some low density houses coming up here. That's fine. What is the value of this land over here? I can't imagine. Yeah, the value of this land's pretty good actually. It's really good. That's what we like to see. We've got a lot of houses leveling up, and we're well on our way to the next milestone, which is 32,000. Yep, that's exactly what it is. I thought it was that, but I just wanted to make sure. And actually, now that we are powering this area through a different means, we can actually afford to just get rid of all this power cable, because it's not really necessary. But hey ho, that's fine, that's good. And let's go on a little bit of a demolishing rampage while we're at it. And once again, I know people are like, yeah, get some mods to do it, and I probably will, maybe if I do another playthrough. But you know, for now, I'm quite happy just doing it the old way, knocking them down manually. Why is there no water over here? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so very sorry. I did not realize that you did not have any water. Okay. There we go. Knock you down. And while we're over here, let us zone another block of offices, because I'm sure that'll help out. We can actually start to see that a lot of industry over here is starting to not have enough workers. So I think cutting back on the number of proper industrial places over here is probably a good idea. So we can take that back by about that much and rezone it as offices. Yeah, because you know, the people, the sort of industrial places just aren't getting the uneducated workers that they need to function. So hopefully doing this will make it a little bit easier. We have dropped around 100 grand in cash this episode, but honestly, that's fine. I mean, we've got 1.5 million. I think we can afford to drop a little bit of cash. There's still massive tailbacks to get into the city. That's not good. That is not good. Is there really a way to fix this? Not entirely sure there is. I mean, we could once again try this sort of method of using the feeder lane, but I'm not entirely sure if that's going to work. Plus, it would interrupt our power line. Not like that's the biggest concern I've got, but whatever. You wanted me to do this manually? Will that make you a bit happier? There we go. And down there. Really? Okay, there we go. Try something like that. Is this area now out of power? Yes, it is. Oh my goodness, you're so moany. Well, in fact, now would be a good time to change this power network up a little bit, even though we only built it a couple of minutes ago. We stick that there. That should be fine. Oh, we also need to sort this entire area out for water. Oh, the fun never stops, does it? The fun never stops. Always busy. There. Beautiful. So water and power problems should be a thing of the past. How are we doing for power, actually? Good, we're all powered up. That's what I like to see. That's great. Building a lot of new houses. A couple of low density, but that's, you know, just preference, I suppose, for people. Let's try disconnecting this bit of road here. See if that actually does anything. Not entirely sure if it will, but we can certainly give it a try. Wow, there's a lot of people over here. And they're actually all going to the metro. That's what we like to see. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to wrap up there. Thank you very much for watching. My name is... English. My name's been Over Potato. It's important if you think the mic is good, not good, you know, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.